my name is Saini Rajendra Bhanu. Today's video's topic is data structure and algorithm in Java. Data structure is a tutorial which provides basic and advanced concepts of data structure. Our data structure tutorial is designed for the beginners and professionals. Data structure is a way to store and organize data so that it can be used efficiently. Our data structure tutorials includes all topics of data structure such as array, pointer, structure, linked list, tag, queue, graph, searching, sorting, programs, etc. What is data structure? The data structure name indicates itself that organizing the data in memory organizing in memory. There are many ways of organizing the data in the memory. As we have already seen, one of the data structure, that is array. Array is a collection of memory elements in which data is stored sequentially, that is one after another. In other words, we can say that array stores the elements in a continuous manner. The organization of data is done with the help of an array of data structure. There are also other ways to organize the data memory, so let's we see it one by one. The data structure is not any programming language like C, C++, Java, .NET, etc. Data structure is a set of algorithms that we can use in any programming language to structure to data in the memory. To structure the data in the memory, n number of algorithms were proposed, and all these algorithms are known as abstract data types. These abstract data types are the set of the rules. Algorithms which has abstract data types and abstract data types which has set of rules. The types of the data structure. So there are two types of data structures. So first is primitive data structure and second one is non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure. The primitive data structures are the primitive data types. The int, char, float, double, pointer, and the primitive data type which can hold the single value, but pointer cannot support in Java. Not non-primitive data structure. So the non-primitive data structure is divided again into two parts. First is linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So let's we discuss the linear data structure. The arrangement of data in a sequential manner is known as a linear data structure. The data structure used for this purpose are arrays, linked lists, tags, and queues. In this data structure, one element is connected only one another element in a linear form. When one element is connected to the n number of elements, which is known as a linear data structure. The best example in trees and graph. In this case, the elements are arranged in a random sequence, and first is then dynamic data structure. It is the type of data structure where the size is allocated at the runtime. Therefore the maximum size is flexible. So thank you guys for watching me.